Hello friends, I have made a happy birthday card with project paper. How I have made this, I want to just show you. See, first we have to take chart paper and then with glittering I have made all these hearts like this. With glittering then here I put above a polythene with polythene. Then if you open this card, it will look like this. If you want, you can make this card for your any dear one, like for your boyfriend or for husband, whatever, like this. This is also made from chart paper, this one, and some stickers I have put like this rose, this happy birthday to you. And from pen, glittering pen, I have made this heart inside it. This page look like this. Here I have written a speech for you, and here one message, small message. I hope you get all happiness in your life. See here, I made this. This is all cellotape, just rounded up with cellotape, blue cellotape and pink cellotape. Then back side of this card will look like this, like this. And I have written some messages. I have put a God sticker, rose sticker. May God always keep you happy. Don't know whether I can marry you or not, give you happiness or not, stay in your life or not. Actually, I made this is greeting in perspective of a couple. Always keep it. Love you forever. Love you. But you always be special. Be forever. It will remind you of good memories. This is the back side of that greeting card. I love you. I have made this front side of this with that gift. How gift wrap this rose. Like this. This is cellotape. I have made this. And in front I have written message, a very happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true and you get lot of success and happiness. This is a polythene. and rose I have made. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When you open this card, it will look like this. But again, this is also made from chart paper. And again, if you will open, it will look like this. These all I have made from glittering and